My job at the airport lounge has never been more important. I love the way people enjoy the time here. I also love to be an important part of the experience at the lounge. My name is Spark, and I'm currently working as a customer service staff at Songhong Business Lounge.
We are very proud of the great hospitality we show to our members, and I'm surrounded with a great team of professionals that go above and beyond to help each and every passenger to have the best experience they can possibly have. My name is Malcolm. I've been working here at the Lavalette Lounge for the last 2 years at the Malta International Airport.
We are working hard to make a comfortable and clean environment. What I like the most about my job is having the chance to meet people from all around the world. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm receptionist at the Grand Lounge Elite in the Mexico City Airport.
What I miss is the rush in the lounge, interaction with our team.
Through my experience, I'm always used to seeing the lounge full of people.
I'm missing the lounge full, busy, and full of life. It has been too silent these days.
For everyone's safety, Prime Plus implemented precautions inside the lounge.
We wear mandatory face masks to ensure safety of passengers and ourselves.
People now more than ever want to feel safe when traveling.
So we have replaced all printed publications to a digital alternative.
And we are trying to use QR code menus
to avoid contact with physical material.
Social distancing, hygiene, and cleaning maintenance are enhanced.
We changed our buffet food service units. We are serving A-La-Carte service when it's necessary.
We also changed our dispensers into sensor devices, especially for hand sanitizer, for lesser contact with other travelers.
We also have temperature check for everyone either coming in or out of the lounge. When the customers need masks, we can offer them for free.
I expect every day that life is back to normal soon, and we are able to welcome back our regular travelers.
We would like them to enjoy again the time they spend in our lounge.
And we look forward to serving them our products once again.